Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a flyer using Canva. I'm going to use the Canva website here. I'm creating a flyer, so when I will select the flyer template, and now I'm going to search for the super sale poster here because I'm going to create a sale flyer here actually. Quickly, I'm going to search for the templates and I will see which template looks good. I think I've got one. I'm going to change the images, the elements. I have quickly imported my logo here and I will place the logo at the top. Yes. And now I'm going to write my own text here. It's year-end sale. You can write your own text here. Now I'm going to change the color according to my logo, and this is quite easy in Canva actually. Okay, so yeah, just write up to 45% off. Now I'm going to search for the elements like social media marketing, because next level promotion is actually a social media marketing agency, or you can say a digital marketing agency. I have imported an image and I am going to remove the background. Feature is only available in Canva Pro. Yeah. And now I was looking for a good background for here actually. Yes. Now I'm going to add some elements here. Like I'm going to add a contact us. You see so many options for contact us and they are looking pretty good actually. I think I'm going to use this one. It looks simple yet beautiful. I've pasted the contact number for next level promotion, so people can also contact us easily. Yes, it's done. You can change the color of your elements. You can resize your elements or your images. Now I'm going to search, as this is my sale poster, so I think I'm going to search for the super sale and I'm going to replace my image. This looks good here actually, super sale, and that too up to 45% off. You can use as many elements, as many backgrounds as you want. Here I was searching what suits my flyer most. So this is how you make your designs in Canva. You select different elements, you select different backgrounds and see what goes best with your flyer or template or image. So this is quite simple, but I think it's done. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.